TIECTOWN 2025 Upgrade Electric Dethatcher and Scarifier is a fantastic tool for lawn care. With a 15.5 amp motor running at 3,600 revolutions per minute and a 16-inch wide rake, it delivers strong performance for both dethatching and scarifying tasks. I found it powerful enough to handle thick thatch layers in my backyard efficiently. One of my favorite features is the 5-position depth adjustment, which allows you to tailor it to different lawn conditions. Switching between the scarifier and dethatcher blades is quick and requires no tools, great for saving time. The machine is surprisingly lightweight, only 30 pounds, and easy to fold and store. The assembly was simple, taking just a few minutes without any tools. Even for someone not very technical like me, setup was smooth. Other thoughtful touches include the cord clip, extension cord holder, and a 14.5-gallon collection bag, which reduced how often I needed to stop and empty it. It's important to note this is not a mower, but a maintenance tool for keeping your lawn healthy. Overall, it's a great investment for homeowners serious about lawn health.